Say goodbye to unhealthy lunches and hello to vibrant, nutritious meals. Are you tired of the same old takeout or quick fixes that leave you feeling sluggish? It's time to upgrade your lunch game with 7 healthy, easy-to-make recipes that will fuel your day and keep you feeling energized. Inside the ebook, you'll discover 1. Pasta and beans, a hearty, filling lunch with protein and fiber. 2. Turkey Reuben, a healthier twist on the classic sandwich. 3. The Healthy Roti, a light yet satisfying flatbread that pairs perfectly with your favorite fillings. 4. Sesame Noodles with chicken, savory, flavorful, and packed with goodness. 5. Mexican lunch minus the meat, a plant-based take on your favorite Mexican lunch. 6. Healthy lunch pizza, a lighter, guilt-free version of pizza for lunch. 7. Grilled veggies, simple, delicious, and nutritious side dishes to complement any meal. Now here's the best part. You don't need to be a gourmet chef to make these meals. They're designed for busy people just like you, who want something healthy and quick without spending hours in the kitchen. Ready to transform your lunch routine? Stop reaching for that unhealthy takeout and start enjoying meals that are packed with nutrients, flavor, and energy. Don't wait. Get your copy of Healthy Lunch for a Week now. Click the link below to download your ebook and start making these delicious meals today.
Enjoyed this video? Hit the like button, subscribe and share with friends.